problem 4, long response problem 4 from chapter 5 asks us to manipulate that basic framework a little bit. I'll do A in red, B in blue, and C in green. All right, so we're asked to think about what would happen in this framework if, first off, an improvement in growing conditions, such as more adequate rainfall, happened. So in that case, we'd see the feasible set, feasible frontier, I guess is their language, grow. So it would be a outward shift. We wouldn't get any more than 24 hours of free time, but if Angela is working at all, there's going to be more grain output. So let's move on to B. Angela has access now to half the time. Well, here she has half the time, so that's the other a movement of that feasible frontier in the other direction. In that case, the amount of grain that she could produce in any hours of work would be smaller. And then finally, this last one is the way I read it anyway, is that the better designed hoe doesn't make it possible for her to grow any more grain with her hours of work, but she can perform her hours of work with less physical drain on herself. So in that case, the biologically feasible frontier would shift in. I've probably exaggerated the inward shift. I hit the y-axis. I didn't mean to. Okay, something like that. Let me get my little eraser going here. Okay, good enough. I think that does it for that question.